Hey y'all, Chantel here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If this is you here for the first time and you like what you see, please do well to subscribe. Also turn on your bell icon so you're notified anytime I post a new content on this channel. All right, thank you so much. Y'all, I'm back to base. Vacation is over, birthday getaway is over. I'm back to reality. If you haven't caught up on my other vlogs, I will leave them linked in the card as this video progresses in the order they were uploaded. So quickly, let's just get into this video. This video is going to be my birthday gifts haul. Everything I got for my birthday, I'm going to be showing you guys, and the ones I don't have physically present, I will tell you about. All right, before we continue, I just want to tell everyone that wished me a happy birthday. Thank you. I am so grateful. It has nothing to do with if you gave me gifts or not. I am super grateful to each and every one of you that took out time off your busy schedule to wish me a happy birthday on June 23rd. The messages were so many and so overwhelming, so I can't even mention everyone's name individually. I'm so grateful. I am so happy. May God bless you all so much. My first gift I'll be showing you is this one right here. You guys, I even got this after my birthday, and it's from Abby here on YouTube, Meals with Abby. It's so pretty. I'm definitely going to reuse this gift bag. First gift in here is a scent diffuser. I love that she paid so much attention in gifting me these things, because these are things that I like. I legit like them. I've mentioned them a couple of times here on my channel. So this is a scent diffuser from Miniso, and it smells really nice. It is in the scent Daisy Marguerite. Yeah, I think that's the pronunciation. Thank you. She also added one of my favorite things of all time, a scented candle. Anybody that knows me knows that I love my space to smell so good. This is a Miniso scented candle as well. It comes in this very cute blue and white combo carton, and this is in the scent Bergamot and Water Lily. Oh wow, it looks so cute. I'm definitely going to reuse this jar when the candle is done with. It smells so nice, so nice. And then she added one thing again that I really like I said, she knows me. It's a book. You guys, I mentioned how much I love writing pads. When my friend Jessica sent me one, I mentioned it in that vlog, and this one is equally cute. It's something I'm going to be obsessed. When you try to lay the sequin on the opposite side, it comes out like this. So this is more of a teal green color, and then like this, it's so beautiful. This is actually a journal, because once you open it, you see dates, and it comes with these cute weather inscriptions. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, so it looks like. It's so beautiful. Thank you so much, Abby, my darling. Thank you. I'm so grateful. The next bag is this one right here. This cute floral bag, and it's from my friend Sotonye here on YouTube. She bought these things and I wasn't around, so she kept them. As soon as I came back from Lagos, she called me that she has my gift too. I should come and pick up. I wasn't even expecting anything, to be honest. This is one of them. So it looks like it's from this brand called Absolute Heat Pro Iron Series, I think. I don't know. Trifect Fusion Technology, 1/4 inch barrel and 32 mm tube. Let me tell you guys what it looks like. This one, right, she said it doubles up as a birthday gift and also a business warming gift, if there's any word like that. I just curated that word. But yeah, because of my new business, LWH's Ninja, she got me this curling wand, and this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. I love the pink. I love pink in accessories. It's so beautiful, and I love the size. It's perfect for those big curls on days when I want to go for that. So I'll definitely be using this on my business page to show how versatile some of the hairs are and all of that. She also included this 6-pack nail polish. This is what they look like. And they're so cute. They are like bright, really bright colors, 6 bright colors. I hope they will be this bright on my nails, because my nails are naturally brown, so they might not pop as much. This is Shine Bright 6-pack nail polish. Thank you, girl. Thank you so much. And then she included these faux nails with adhesive. I have a bunch of these in my cupboard. I got from Primark. I definitely love this better because the color is more muted, and I've just been gravitating towards colors like this. This is mulberry, and I love the shape as well. They call it squaletto, so yeah, square tip and stiletto shape. While this is more of a chrome finish, and the tip is more spiky. This is a high shine UV gel coating, blah blah blah. And then she included a note. On the note she says, open me. This was the first thing I opened. Let me read it out to you people, even though I'm not going to read out everything because Sosonya is not okay. She says, happy birthday darling, I know you have the best day with lots of love, gifts, and whatever she included there. And she laughed out loud. Please enjoy these few items with lots of love from me. Have a blast. Love, Soti Mama. I love the notepad. It's so cute. Sotonya is such a girly girl. So yeah, that's it with the gift from Sotonya. I'm going to move on to the next one, which is this bag right here. I gave you all a sneak peek of this in one vlog I did, and I titled it, look what Adaeze and Nello gave to me for my birthday. I think something of that sort. I'll leave it in the card in case you didn't catch up. It comes in this cute shopping bag from a brand called Jaka Lagos. I've always wanted a Jaka bag ever since I saw it with my cousin about 2 years ago. This is what it looks like. I'm still looking for the perfect occasion to wear it to. It's so beautiful. It's multicolored and it has a shine finish. What's this called? Like a patent, yeah, a patent finish. And this is what the interior looks like. It has just a simple black velvety interior with extra pockets for more storage. It's so structured. Yeah, so that's it with that one. The next one I want to show you guys, I don't have here and I feel so bad. I thought I packed it, but it's somewhere in my wardrobe because I need it for an upcoming event, so I don't want to mix it with other things and I'll end up forgetting it. But it's this very beautiful dress. What I'm going to do is just to include a screenshot somewhere on this screen. It's this very cute maxi dress from Zephyr's Lagos that Adaeze Space got for me. This dress is so beautiful. I have loved this dress ever since I saw it, but I never liked the prints that they all came in up until my birthday period where they introduced this new print, and it was so beautiful. I included it in my wish list and she's like, I'd like to buy it for you. I'm like, oh my god, thank you so much. So she got it for me and it was a tad big on me. I think I mentioned all of that in that vlog. If you want to watch that vlog, let me not go back to saying what I already said. I'll leave it linked in the card. And yeah, she got it for me. So beautiful. I can't wait to rock it sometime in this July, in a couple of weeks, where I have something I'm going for. It's a modest dress, which is the look I'm going for. I love the brown. I love the, it's just mature and it looks very rich girly, rich auntie-ish to me. It gives me that vibe. The last physical thing I'll be showing you is also a Jaka Lagos bag that my girl Sherifa got for me. This is so beautiful. I love this bag. It goes with every and anything. You guys don't know who Sherifa is. She's here on YouTube, just the sweetest soul. I've known Sherifa for a while now, before she even got married. We're just Snapchat friends. We evolved to Instagram friends and WhatsApp friends. We will chat about things, personal things. Just so sweet. So thank you, my darling. It's the same size as the one Nello gave me. So they are both midi bags from Jaka Lagos, and this is what they look like side by side. The same shape, the same design, but just different leather colors. Yeah, so that's it with the things I have physically present. Also, my friends Uche and Ivy gifted me with a cake, but they monetized this since I wasn't around, so extra money into my account. Waka girl, even after I deflected a couple of times when she was sending me questions. Thank you, my darling. Thank you, thank you. Another person, Flora's Spot here on YouTube, that girl sent me money all the way from the UK. Thank you all so much. Thank you. I know I mentioned it at the beginning of the video. I'm so grateful. You guys are amazing. My videos are doing really well. You guys are really watching the videos because I know that you are looking for something. Some of you are here for a proco, but no problem. You can have a seat and watch more videos. Bay was really sweet on my birthday. Yeah, forgot to mention. Just made my day special. Yeah, it was a very nice birthday. I feel like compared to my last birthday, I got more gifts than money, but this one I got more money than gifts. Compared to last year, I think I prefer this birthday in simple terms. So yeah, that's it with this video. This was just a chill video. I'm just sitting on the floor chatting with you all and just showing you my gifts. Like, yeah. Thank you all so much for watching. If you watch up until this point, give it a thumbs up. Follow my Instagram pages. I leave them in my description box. Yeah, All right. Oh yeah, and thank you to the person that gave me a birthday gift by buying something from SWS Ninja. That was amazing. Thank you so much. I don't want to mention your name because he asked to remain anonymous, but thank you. As at the time of filming this video, I should have shipped out your order, so I'm going to get your reviews. I know you like it because it's the best quality. It's the best of the best of the best. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye.